Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. I hope you had a lovely new year and a lovely Christmas. Let's get on with my first video of 2021 where I'll be making a tiramisu. What you will need: 3 whole eggs separated into yolks and whites, 250 grams of sugar, 500 grams of mascarpone, 300 milliliters of coffee, 3 to 5 shots of Marsala wine, Ladyfinger Biscuits and cocoa powder. First, beat the egg whites to a soft pink. In another bowl, beat together the egg yolks and sugar until pale. Now, fold in the mascarpone into the egg yolks with a spatula. Now fold in the egg whites, now in a small tray, mix together the coffee and Marsala wine. Soak your fingers one at a time. To do this, you'll place your finger into the coffee and Marsala wine, turn it over immediately, and then take it out and place it into a tray of your choice. This is going to create the base of your tiramisu. Now you're going to pour your cream mixture over the top of your biscuits. Once you have done this, use a spatula to make the top of it flat. For the final touch, add your cocoa powder over the top, but make sure you can't see any of the cream mixture through the chocolate. Thank you for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it.